New report shows that Tesla vehicles experience just 12% battery degradation over lifespan. Electric vehicle or Tesla battery degradation is an important question for people who want to buy Tesla vehicles or electric vehicles in general, because they know how long it will take for their battery to degrade. So what is the Tesla battery degradation? Tesla vehicles actually experience battery degradation of just 12% over their lifetime, according to published data. This means the company's vehicles, Tesla's vehicles, can be used for a long time without having a negative impact on the environment due to the need to replace the battery or send it for scrap. Many consumers around the world, before buying an electric car, wonder how long it will last. One of the most important factors is the assessment of how high quality the battery of a particular electric vehicle is. Among other things, this is determined by what level of battery degradation will occur after a certain number of miles traveled. No consumer wants to buy a car that loses a lot of capacity after 50,000 or 100,000 miles. I mean, would you like to buy a Tesla or another electric vehicle if the battery degrades after 50 or 100,000 miles? Tesla cars are distinguished by very high-quality batteries that provide many years of enjoyable driving. To clear things up, in its 2022 impact report, the company provided important data on the life of its batteries. According to the report, even after 200,000 miles, the battery degradation in the company's vehicles is only 12%. Tesla has been selling electric vehicles for over a decade, so it has a robust data set that shows battery degradation over time. Therefore, the data presented in the report are reliable, as they are collected from real experience and not from potential or projected information. For analysis, Model S and Tesla Model X data were taken, which are the oldest models and therefore the best in estimating such a large mileage. Tesla estimates the car will be scrapped after about 200,000 miles in the United States and about 150,000 miles in Europe. This means most Tesla owners will be able to drive their Tesla for the whole of its lifespan without worry. It also means the negative impact of Tesla cars on the environment is really low. It is worth bearing in mind that if the vehicle is scrapped after 200,000 miles, the battery can be reused, for example, in stationary energy storage. There it can last for many years before being disposed of. In addition, after the end of their service life, batteries can be recycled. This means that metal can be extracted from them, from which it will then be possible to produce a new battery again. This actually in turn means that there will be no need to mine and harm the environment again for electric vehicle or Tesla batteries. Tesla also left on note on the information provided. The company said, quote, "Mileage is only one factor in battery capacity retention. Battery age is also a major factor. Retention figures at lower mileages above likely reflect the impact of age, while higher mileage values, which come from high-utilization vehicles, reflect less influence from battery age." In addition, Tesla said the performance of new chemicals being used in its batteries have not yet been taken into account, and so results could vary in the future. Going forward, the company plans to expand disclosures once it has collected enough data to do so. Tesla really wants to clear out some Model Ys. The starting price of the Model Y right now is below the new car average in the United States, according to a new report. And I saw another report from Bloomberg.com that is titled saying Tesla Model Y's price cuts mean Elon Musk's either disruptive or desperate. Knowing that Tesla Model Y is in high demand, I don't think he is desperate. He's rather disruptive. What do you think, friends? Do you agree with this? Anyway, Tesla has dropped starting price of the Model Y electric vehicle, which is now below the cost of average. The Tesla Model Y, which is due for some sort of super secret update this year or next, used to be priced at over $60,000 in the United States. But as of this report, it starts at $46,990 for the base model, which, like I said, Bloomberg now says is less than the average new car price in America by about $759. So Tesla Model Y on average costs $759 less than the average new car price in America. If you're looking for proximate causes, the upcoming update could be one, and also that there seems to be a bit of a glut of Tesla inventory at the moment, says Jalopnik. It seems Tesla has some incentive to move some Model Ys in other words, and also Tesla can then say it delivered a lot of Model Ys even though it was already delivering a lot of Model Ys before then. The price variation between the highs and lows of Model Y remains striking though, such that Bloomberg says that no other automaker has made such a dramatic a price reduction to a high volume vehicle in the modern age of the automobile, or at least $20,000 difference between the high and low. I mean, like I said, when Tesla Cybertruck at some point it was priced over $60,000, and now it's priced like what I said, $46,990. For many, to be sure, this might be reason enough to jump on finally getting a Model Y, because in addition to the lower price, the Tesla Model Y also qualifies for the full $7,500 federal tax credit, unlike some other electric vehicles. For others, this will be a new reason to fret about Tesla's profit margins, because everyone's an amateur investor these days. For analysts and Tesla watcher Adam Jonas of Morgan Stanley, this is a reason to question whether Tesla's stateside price games, some have even called it a price war, will intimidate competitors. Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas said last week that Elon Musk's US cuts are so aggressive they may lead some automakers to slow down their breakneck pace of investment in electric vehicles rather than compete with Tesla on price in an uncertain economy. We're questioning whether this is the moment where the board of the legacy OEMs can reconsider dialing back the magnitude and timing of their electric vehicle capex and R&D plan, Jonas said. It is one thing for Tesla to cut the starting price of the Model Y to $46,990 on its website, which looks good for Tesla, but that doesn't mean much if the new inventory is such that only the higher priced trims are available. On this front, within 200 miles of New York City, there are a few new Model Ys available, not far from $46,990. It's almost like they are sitting somewhere waiting to be brought.